Don't boil instant noodles directly in boiling water. Just doing that will make the noodles easily break and stick together. Today, I'll show you how to cook instant noodles like a 5-star restaurant. The noodles will cook evenly, won't become mushy or sticky, and will retain their natural chewiness. Just by changing one small step, instant noodles will taste much better than when cooked the usual way. Check out the method below. Steamed noodles. With shrimp, soaking the noodles in water helps to moisten them, allowing them to cook thoroughly. Pour water into the pot below the steamer, just enough to create steam when boiling. Add 1 piece of shredded ginger for extra aroma. Finely chopped green onions. Then cover the pot tightly and turn the heat to medium. Steam for about 5 minutes until the noodles are fully cooked. Once the noodles are steamed, transfer them to a large bowl. Use chopsticks to gently separate and fluff each strand. At this point, the noodles should be evenly soft, springy, and not clumped together like when boiled. Crack 3 eggs into the bowl. Add finely chopped green onions. Then season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Use chopsticks to gently mix until the eggs coat each strand of noodles evenly. Place a pan on the stove. Add just enough cooking oil to coat the bottom of the pan. When the oil is hot, pour the noodles into the pan, spreading them evenly into a single layer. Keep the heat medium to low. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes until the bottom of the noodles is set and lightly golden. Use a large plate to flip the noodles, then gently slide the noodles back into the pan neatly. At this point, the other side of the egg noodle cake is facing down in the pan. Next are 2 sausages, sliced into thin, bite-sized pieces. Thinly sliced sausage cooks quickly, evenly, and adds a light saltiness to the noodles, which pairs well with eggs and cheese. Evenly arrange thinly sliced sausage slices over the entire surface of the noodles. I prepare 2 tomatoes, wash them, and slice them thinly. The tomatoes will give the noodles a slightly sour taste, making them easier to eat and preventing them from becoming cloying when fried with eggs and cheese. Evenly arrange thinly sliced tomatoes on top. Prepare 50 grams of shredded cheese, making the dish creamier, more cohesive, and creating an appealing melted layer. Sprinkle of shredded cheese evenly on top. Once arranged, cover the pan tightly and keep the heat at medium to low. Continue frying for about 2 to 3 minutes to allow the heat to spread evenly from the bottom of the pan to the top, helping the bottom of the noodles to brown while the tomatoes soften and the cheese melts completely. If the pan gets too hot, reduce the heat to prevent the bottom of the noodles from burning. Next, add water to a small pot and bring it to a boil. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Lightly beat them. Then slowly pour the eggs into the pot while gently stirring to create thin, beautiful strands, keeping the soup clear and free of lumps. Add 2 packets of noodle seasoning and stir well until completely dissolved. In just a few minutes, you'll have a bowl of hot egg noodle soup. Sprinkle some green onions or cilantro on top, and it's ready to serve. This soup is very easy to eat, light on the stomach, and suitable for a quick lunch or dinner when you don't have much time to cook. At this point, the egg, instant noodles, and cheese dish is complete. When you open the lid, the cheese will have melted evenly. The tomatoes will be slightly softened, and the dish will be ready. Turn off the heat, transfer the noodles to a plate, and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Fried egg noodles with cheese and tomatoes are best eaten hot, with a light golden exterior and a soft, creamy interior that is very easy to eat. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Especially when paired with the fried instant noodles mentioned above, simply break off a piece of crispy noodle, dip it into the hot egg soup, and you'll notice a distinct difference. The crispiness of the noodles, the mild richness of the eggs, and the flavorful broth blend together perfectly, creating a delicious and unique taste. After you've used up the green parts of the scallions, don't throw away the roots. Reuse them by replanting them so your family can always have fresh scallions year-round. Use a recycled plastic bottle, cut in half. Add the base of the scallions, making sure only the roots are sticking out. Next, add enough water to cover the onion roots. Place the jar in a location with natural light, near a window. Change the water daily or every 2 days. Wow, that's amazing! The onions grew back just a few days later. When the plant reaches a height of about 15-20 centimeters, cut it off. Keep the base. The plant will continue to regrow several times. If you like these small but effective kitchen tips, don't forget to follow the channel to discover more simple yet delicious recipes every day. See you in the next video.